Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today. I'm going to do an unbox video for you guys. I've been doing quite a lot of unboxing videos, but this one is particularly excited because I am doing a Tao Bao unboxing. I bought quite a lot of pieces from Tao Bao this time, and it's kind of complicated to ship it to New Zealand, so it took me quite a while to ship it to New Zealand. I'm not going to explain anything in detail that how am I going to get it to New Zealand, but well, it's finally arrived. So let me show you what I got this time. You guys see, I have such a big packaging arrived. I'm kind of very excited because I can do the Taobao unboxing like other YouTubers or other people on YouTube from Asian countries to unbox the Taobao purchases. So okay, let's start to do unboxing now. So I just randomly picked one from the this big bag, and then I open it. I really can't remember what I bought actually. The first one is this one. Oh. The first one is this jar stickers. It is the craft paper color. I bought this because these kind of stickers are quite expensive in New Zealand, so I bought some from Taobao. The second one is a box. Oh, I bought this tea filter. So this is made with glass. The design is very cool because it's like a tube. So you just put and then they have those how to say those gaps in between the bottom of the tube, and so when you put the tea leaves in, and then the tea can release to the water. Let me open it for you. So it looks like that. See, there's they made a gap here, so the tea can release from these gaps. I bought few pieces. I can give it to my friends as a gift, or I can resell it online. So that's why I bought few pieces. And also to lower the shipping costs. This is another box. What's that? Oh, I remember. It's the burger tin. This is a burger, the burger bread mold. So when you make the dough, you just put it in the mold and then put it into the oven. So once it is proof baked, it will just grow like a burger bun. This is aluminium. It didn't really say the material is aluminium though. Anyway, I'm not like making burger bun every day, so aluminium should be fine. How many I bought? I bought 10. Then I don't need to, like, if I just buy 2, then every time if I put it into the oven, I have to wait and then do it again and again. So that's kind of like waste the power. So when now I bought 10, so I can make 10 burger bun once to save the power. It looks like a book inside, but I didn't buy books. Oh, I know what's there. This is one of the things that I'm so expecting to receive it. Can you guess what's inside? Dun 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 dun. It's a mini knife. It's so cute when I saw it. It's lighter than I expected though, because on the website it described that as like a heavy metal or heavy steel or something like that. So I'm kind of expecting it's very heavy, but this kind of small knife shouldn't be too heavy. And also I chose the a set with the knife cover as well. Yeah, 这样吗？哦，这样。Cool. That's really cool. I bought two. One is a gift to my friend. So if I make any cooking videos in future, I will use this mini knife. Now I open another small pack. Maybe it's another label because I bought quite a lot of labels. Oh, dun 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 dun. So this is the calendar sticker for this year. It's April already, but anyway, doesn't really matter. This is for, I think, the people that design these kind of stickers is for people doing the bullet journal. I don't do bullet journal, but I feel like it's very cool that you have like a month in a small sticker, so I can put it in my notebook or somewhere to remind me the date. So I bought so many just because, apart from give away if I need to, I also want to sell it online, see if people, I mean in New Zealand, see people if they are interested or not. So that's why I bought quite a few, and also because it will lower down the shipping costs. Another small packaging. Oh, sticker again. I bought quite a lot of stickers, I think. I hope the size is big enough though. I'm actually expecting a little bit bigger size. Never mind. So this stickers is more colorful. I feel like it looks very nice if you put it on a small bottle or small seasoning jars. Another box. I'm so happy. I really feel like I look like other people on YouTube to unbox the Tao Bao. Oh, what is this? Got a mini filter. And then looks like that. Each with another wrapping. Oh, remember this one. I bought quite a lot. I think 10 of these small bottle. So why I bought so many? So you know, we all bring, most of us, we bring lunch to work, or sometimes bring lunch or bring food go out. So like when making the salad, if I pre-mix the salad with the salad dressing, like after a couple of hours, the salad mixed with the dressing for too long, it will make the salad very soggy or just not nice. So that's why I was thinking if I can just mix the salad dressing when I need to eat, and then it will taste a lot better and look it will look a lot better. So that's why I want a small jar. We can buy those tiny small jar, but it's still quite big here. And so that's why when I saw this one, it's so mini. Can't remember it's how many millimeter. It's maybe 30 millimeter, this one. They have different sizes. So I choose this one. This is not the smallest, but this is the size I reckon is quite good for putting the salad dressing in. So this design is really good. You see, the cap, it looks like a bamboo, but it's not bamboo, it's plastic. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. And this bottle is a glass bottle. So I can just bring some salad dressing out, or some other like soy sauce, anything, when I need to mix it with my food later. Oh, this one is heavy. Okay, they all the same. I remember what's that. Dun 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 dun. Hey, didn't I buy the glass base? How come it's plastic? But I remember I bought the jar is the glass, not the plastic though. This is for blending the a little bit garlic, all those small stuff. So you don't need to use your big blender. So this is a tiny one. And also they have a USB to charge the power. I bought should be 4 of them. Okay, another small packaging. So these are the mini calendar. You know, it's kind of popular if you watch the YouTube lifestyle videos, that people having such a good lifestyle and they have such a good calendar to mark the days. So when I saw this one, I feel like kind of excited. So I bought it because it's not expensive. So they have quite a lot of design on this website, I remember. But I bought this one. It's very neat, simple, and elegant. This is one, I think the only one design that it looks this neat and elegant. So I bought 4 of these calendar. And also these are the small stickers in Chinese wordings. It says something very good, like what's that? Let me see. Your whole life is good, something like that. Your whole life is good, double happiness. So I like this kind of stickers. So you know, life is how dull the life is at the moment. I really need something to cheer me up. So I was thinking, oh, just buy some stickers so I can stick around, and then when I see that, I may feel better. The last 2. Another box. Oh, okay, I remember what's that. It's called Meatball Maker Set. So this things is for making the meatball or fish ball, any kinds of balls. There's a big one and a small one. So it looks like that. This is making the meatball or fish ball. It's more like you can put the filling in. So you put one layer outside and you put the filling inside and make it like a ball. So like if you have ever tried our the Asian, not the Chinese fish ball. It's called Fuzhou Wan, and they have a fish paste outside, and then they put the pork mince inside. It's like a fish ball, but when you bite the ball, and then you will feel you will eat the pork mince inside. So this is making the balls with fillings inside. So I have a big one to make a bigger ball, and then I have a small one to make a small balls. The last one. So I actually know what's the last one in this box. This one shouldn't even show you guys. Let me open it. So these are the bras. So I'm not going to show you guys. It is the wireless bra. So we do have some wireless bra here, but it's not many, and the designs are quite plain. So when I saw this one, I just bought few pieces to ship it here. So okay, that's all for this Tao Bao unboxing. Oh well, this shipment, it took lots of efforts to ship it in New Zealand. So if you watch this video in New Zealand, don't ask me how am I going to get it here. So it's just complicated. But I'm very happy that the shipment finally arrived in New Zealand, and I can do an unbox here. So if in future, if I have a big shipment from Tao Bao again, then I will do another unboxing video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.